Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Ibrahim, and today I'm walking you through how to connect your Google Drive with Microsoft Outlook, full 2025 guide. If you've ever wanted your Google Drive files to sync smoothly with your Outlook workflow, this full step-by-step tutorial will make everything clear and easy to follow. Let's get started. First, begin by heading over to Zapier.com, which is the tool that will let us bridge Google Drive and Outlook together. Once you're on the homepage, simply open Zapier so the dashboard loads and you can access all the automation tools available. After the dashboard appears, look toward the top area and choose the Create option, which opens up the space where new automation workflows begin. From there, select Zaps, which is Zapier's name for automated connections between apps, and this will take you to the Setup interface. Inside the Setup page, type in Connect Google Drive and Microsoft, so Zapier can start suggesting the right automation template for you. Once the text is entered, confirm it by pressing Enter, which will load your available app options and triggers. When Zapier generates the setup layout, click on the App field to choose which app starts your automation, and from here, you'll be able to select Google Drive as the starting point and connect it with your Outlook workflow. And that's the full process of getting your Google Drive tied directly into Microsoft Outlook using Zapier. If this video helped you get your automation running, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another tech guide.